Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Chris here, OZ Canopies and 4x4. A quick little video today showing how we get some of our steel side steps fitted on this oldie but still a goldie Isuzu D-Max 2017 model. Let's get into it. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you enjoyed that nice, short and sweet video. Sometimes we keep them short and sweet for you guys. Very, very straightforward. You can see a very heavy duty all steel step that can almost function as a slider. Bolted right off the OEM points. Lovely fit and finish, really complements the look of the car. Available for basically all the dual cab utes out there. Go to ozcanopies.com.au to have a squiz at those. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. A lot more fitment videos in the pipeline, some longer, some shorter. This is Chris. We'll see you guys on the next one.